Hey everybody, welcome to my second video. Breaking Flawless again. First box is just amazing. Let's see what we get on this one here. I remembered to take this time. First card, Marshawn Lynch, 7 out of 20 diamond. Man, these cards are just sick. Blake Bortles, autographed patch, 6 out of 25. Next to the cards. Once I get my webcam back, I've got it loaned out right now. Once I get it back, these will be a little better and from a better point of view. Steve Smith, auto patch, ruby, 1 out of 15. Nice card. Mike Glenn, 6 out of 14. Sammy Watkins, 2 out of 25. It's a nice card. Sammy Watkins. First triple patch. Kenny Anderson. I think that's the first hit for the Bengals in these first 2 cases have opened. Jordy Nelson, 7 out of 15. Another ruby. Oh, that's a sweet patch right there. 2 of 5, LaShawn McCoy. It's part of the Eagle. Emerald card. Man, that's a pretty card. Too bad I'm a Redskin fan. I'd keep that one. Cowboy. Sean Lee. 20 of 25. It's a nice bold signature. Man, I love these Flawless cards. They're just best cards I've seen in a long time. Inscriptions, Tom Savage, 23 of 25. Tom Savage. And once again, these right here will go into one-touch cases. And we'll put them on eBay, and I'll do a blog about them and I'll let you guys know roughly if I break even, make profit, or lose money on them. Thank you again. Have another one up shortly. Bye.